Hello, this video is going to be about notation, and if you're like me when I started, notation sounds like a weird word, and it's weird, kind of, but it's not as hard as you might think. So, a string of letters and numbers like this is called notation, and every letter corresponds to a side on the cube. So, we've got 6 sides, 6 letters. Let's go through them. The top side is U. The right side is R. The front side is F. The left side is L. The back side is B. And the bottom side is D. So, you can see in this string we've got R, U, and then B with a 2 after it. So, R. So, if it just says something like R, U, or F, or something like that, with nothing after it, it is clockwise. So, this is R clockwise, because it has nothing after it, and a clock goes this way. So we'll turn it the same way. This says U with nothing after it, so it's clockwise. U is this side, and it goes this way. Then we've got B2. Now the 2 means that you turn it twice. So the B side is back here, so we'll turn it twice. 1, 2. Then we've got F with an apostrophe. It's also called F prime, and it means anti-clockwise, so the opposite way. So a clock normally goes this way, but we're going to go the other way. F prime. Then L clockwise, like that. B prime, or B anti-clockwise. So a clock goes this way, we're going to go the other way. R2. So the R side twice. L2, left side twice. And D, bottom side once clockwise. And I prepared an example earlier to make sure I got it right, so you guys can check with your cubes to see if you got it right. This is what it should look like, and this is the notation. That's all.